Oh, you woke up. Are you okay, Ishu? Huh? Are you okay? अरे don't get up. तुम्हें रात को बिल्कुल नींद नहीं आई, थोड़ा सो जाओ।
तुम्हारी जॉब का टाइम हो गया, राइट?
हाँ, just leave it.
I'll miss you.
हाँ? चलो, I'll go for my jog में 2 घंटे में वापस आता।
Goodbye, Vivan.
The guilt was eating me up. The guilt of not telling him that this was the last time he'd ever seen me. पर इसके अलावा कोई ऑप्शन नहीं था. For me to live, he had to die. डिवोर्स के 1 महीने बाद आई शिफ्टेड हियर टू दिल्ली. संडे को शिफ्ट हुई, ट्यूसडे को वो आ गया दरवाजे पर.
कौन है?
I'm sorry मैं ऐसे अंदर आ गया. Your bell isn't working. I cut my hand. और अभी केमिस्ट खुले नहीं होंगे. Do you think you have something?
Yeah, 1 second, I might have something.
Ow.
इधर ही तो रखा था, कहाँ गया?
Excuse me.
Yeah, let's see. Yep. Do you want to sit?
Thanks.
Do you need help?
Sure.
Just.
I'm Vivan, by the way.
Isha.
Nice to meet you, Isha.
It's done.
विवान, कुछ तो बात थी. There was something about him. I don't know what got into me in that moment, and
I didn't ask you. Do you want to have something?
Sure, I kinda am hungry. What do you have? That way?
Yeah, that.
Let's go. Come.
So you're new here, right?
Yeah, just moved in last night. Right across the street. 131B.
131B.
Yeah.
वो घर तो मैं भी देख रही थी, पर मुझे बोला रेंट पर नहीं देते. तुम्हें कैसे मिला?
Are you complaining?
No, I'm. So what do you do, Vivan?
I'm a writer, which basically means that I'm unemployed.
आजकल क्या लिख रहे हो?
पता नहीं. कुछ तो लिख रहा हूँ. बस 2-3 महीने में से एक नई जगह पे आके रहता हूँ. What about you?
I am an architect. पर 2 महीने हुए जॉब छोड़े हुए. Nowadays I'm just concentrating on dancing. So I guess you could call me a dancer.
Wow.
What?
I want to see you dance. I'm sorry.
I hadn't felt this way in years. Just the way he looked at me, I was slipping from my own grip.
Breakfast.
He'd never been married and was younger than me by a good 5 years. His sunny personality contradicted the intense poetry he wrote.
You have beautiful hands.
What? He was like room temperature water on a dry winter morning. And I didn't even know I was parched. I found myself looking forward to each morning and fell asleep almost effortlessly each night. The only thing bothering me was that it was all too good to be true. हम साथ रहने लगे. I don't think we ever had that conversation. वो बस सामान लेकर आ गया and before I knew it, he changed the whole world around me. I was getting used to him. I'd wake up to his morning breath. Then I'd watch him go for a jog right before Pushpa Didi arrived.
दीदी वो बर्तन तो है नहीं, मैं कल आती हूँ.
You know, it's been 15 days since I went to my dance class. तुम at least रोज jogging पर तो जाते हो.
I sit here all day long, do nothing.
I think we burn enough calories.
Stop it, यार. And तुम रोज सुबह same time jogging कैसे चले जाते हो? And who jogs for 2 hours?
It's the best thing.
Then take me with you, na, tomorrow. Space issues.
Listen, I like spending time with you. I love it. It's just that there are some things that I like doing alone. Clears my head. उसके बिना मुझसे लिखा नहीं जाता.
I understand. Acha, listen, my friend Anirudh, he needs your help. He wants to be a writer, so I gave him your number.
He's gonna call you, okay?
पता नहीं क्या चलता था उसके दिमाग में. डर भी लगता था उससे पूछने में. We hadn't set boundaries yet. There were some things even I never discussed with him, like my divorce. उसने कभी पूछा नहीं, मैंने कभी बताया नहीं. मुझे सवाल नहीं पसंद. All these years, I've answered too many. I found comfort in his silence. I'd sit in bed all day, और वो मुझसे घंटों बातें करता. About nothing specific. And then we'd make wild love till we lost track of what day it was. He held me like he'd never let me go. I was happy for him to take the lead. He pinned me down so well.
Ishu? Ow. Isha? Ishu? Ishu, where are you going?
It's Thursday, yeah. Dance class जा रही हूँ और कहाँ? I'm anyway not feeling too good about myself.
Why? Look at yourself. So hot.
Don't do this right now. Bye.
No, don't go.
Listen,
Don't go now.
I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna cook us some.
थोड़े दिनों में it started to bother me. I hadn't stepped out in weeks. बाहर जाने की बात भी करती तो he would freak out. I started feeling trapped in my own house. They say love sets you free, but Vivan was clipping my wings. डर लगने लगा था. He wouldn't go out with me. He wouldn't let me meet my friends. His weird, elusive behavior had really started getting to me. I felt manipulated by his love. Vaughn, someone's at the door. Go now. Vivan.
हाय, आपका कुरियर आया है थे शायद मेरे घर पे.
Thanks for this.
थैंक्स.
What happened? अरे क्या हो गया? Ishu, what happened? What do you need? Why aren't you talking to me? Talk to me, huh?
Hello.
Hi, Isha.
Hey.
I called Vivan for that thing, but somebody picked up and said that it's the wrong number.
Wrong number. I don't know, Anirudh. I might have given you the wrong number. शायद मैंने गलत दे दिया होगा. Sorry, I'll just check.
Just check and let me know, okay?
Anirudh, 1 second. I think there's someone at the door.
Okay, sure, carry on.
I'll call you. Anirudh called you. तुमने फोन उठा के बोला wrong number.
Yeah, I didn't feel like talking.
He's my friend, Vivan. उसको काम था तुमसे.
Have I ever told you that I need a job? Just because I'm unemployed doesn't mean that I need your help, na, Ishu.
Vivan, he needed your help with that new job at that new company. Not because he wanted to offer you a job. And why would you say it's a wrong number? Why would you tell him that?
Ishu, why are you talking to me like that?
क्या चल रहा है विवान? ना तुम किसी से मिलते हो ना मुझे मिलने देते हो. And you don't even let me tell my friends about you. What is all this? I don't get it.
It's not that, Ishu. I came here to get away from people, okay? And what we have is perfect. इसे खराब नहीं करते, okay? इसे खराब नहीं करते. Don't ruin it.
Listen, I need to get away right now, okay?
बाहर जाने से क्या होगा यार? Let's sit and talk.
Listen, Vivan, even I need my time. मुझे भी चाहिए अपना time यार. Let me go.
Isha, you're not going anywhere.
What are you doing, Vivan?
Ah! I'm sorry. I
He
should have done that.
had become my worst nightmare. He was controlling me, and I didn't have the energy to even fight. I'd wait for Pushpa Didi every day, क्योंकि वो उसी टाइम जॉब पर जाता था. Those 2 hours were all I had to be away from him. Anirudh called again, and I just broke down.
This is toxic for you, Isha. I think you should really meet Gaurav. He's a friend of mine.
It's not going to help, Anirudh. I don't want to meet anyone.
I understand. But just meet him. एक बार बात तो कर ले यार.
Anirudh,
अच्छा मेरी बात तो सुन. Let me just send you his number.
listen. I'll call you back, okay?
ईशा
You're here? I'll come. अगली सुबह विवान के जाते ही मैं घर से निकली. I don't know what I'm doing here.
I understand.
I don't know what Anirudh has told you.
Is there something you want to talk about? I mean, you seem disturbed.
I barely know you.
And maybe that's a good thing.
Gaurav was a breath of fresh air. Talking to him made me realize that Vivan was drowning me, and I needed to come above the surface to breathe. It became a routine. I would sneak out and meet Gaurav. Gaurav was right. He was a great listener. उससे बात करके हल्का सा लगता था. But Vivan, I couldn't just let him go like that. When I suggested taking a break, he reacted so violently. I was shocked. That's when Gaurav suggested it. My first reaction was of disbelief.
How can this be the right thing to do? कोई तो और तरीका होगा.
You are suffering, Isha. So much. And so is he. I think it's the kindest thing to do.
Kindest. I thought divorce was the kind thing to do in my first marriage. And look where I am.
He's just going to spiral out of control in the next few months. Do not let him become a monster, Isha. End it. Once and for all.
The guilt was eating me up. Goodbye, everyone. The guilt of not telling him that this was the last time he'd ever seen me. पर इसके अलावा कोई ऑप्शन नहीं था. For me to live, he had to die.
Vivan! 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 Vivan!
Hello?
Yes, Isha.
Yeah, Dr. Gaurav. It worked. He's gone. Forever.
Okay. Are you feeling fine? Can you see me tomorrow?
I will.
Great. But don't forget to take your anti-hallucination pills regularly now. See you tomorrow.
It took a month for me to accept that he wasn't real, that he was in my head. Life wasn't the same anymore. But I sleep better now, so I guess that's something.